Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce baked pasta. First, gather your ingredients: pasta, butter, flour, milk, and your favorite cheese. Cook your pasta until it's al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. While the pasta cooks, lightly grease a baking dish. This ensures your delicious baked pasta won't stick, making cleanup much easier later. Now, let's make the star of the show, the white sauce. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux, cooking for 1 minute. Slowly pour in 3 cups of warm milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of nutmeg for depth. With your sauce ready, it's time to assemble. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta with your rich white sauce. Stir in about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, ensuring every piece of pasta is coated. Transfer this delightful mixture into your greased baking dish. Finally, sprinkle the remaining cheese generously over the top, promising a beautiful, bubbly crust. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pasta for 20-25 minutes, or until it's bubbly and the cheese on top is golden brown. Once out of the oven, let it rest for 5-10 minutes. This helps the sauce set. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a fantastic book about money. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or basil, then serve and savor your homemade white sauce baked pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.